Hi friends, this is Madhuka. Now you are watching Madhuka Times videos. Today we are going to learn how to track speed post online. Nowadays everyone doing their documents, letters, PAN cards, Aadhaar cards through the speed post. So I hope it is mandatory for us to know how to track current location of the speed post. Now let's go. First of all, you need to open Google Chrome in your mobile or in your PC. Please enter speed post tracking in your search bar. Then you can see indiapost.gov website here. Please click on that website. And here you need to enter consignment number and captcha. Consignment number you get it from the post office when you done speed post. Please enter the consignment number and enter the captcha. Please press on the search option. Here you can see complete details about the speed post, like from where it is booked and date of booking, destination, and you can track complete day to day movement of the speed post. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you for watching.